Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to effectively clean your enema bucket and tubing. Whether you're using an enema bucket that's glass, stainless steel, plastic, or a silicone bag, it will all be cleaned the same way. First, you're going to remove your enema tubing from your bucket. You'll clean this as you would any dish, and you'll be using a non-toxic soap such as our coconut oil soap. It's important it's non-toxic. So you'll put a couple of drops in of the soap and you'll wash it and then rinse it. Next, you'll want to reattach your tubing to the bucket because we're going to be sterilizing your tubing next. Make sure that your clamp is closed tight like that. You'll take a cup of water and put it in your enema bucket along with 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide. Swish it around and let it run through the tubing and out into the sink. So you'll open the clamp and then you'll rinse it. You can use vinegar instead of hydrogen peroxide if you want. After this, you're going to want to hang your tubing to dry on your towel rack in your bathroom. After your tubing's dry, you will roll it up and then put it away in a closet or a cupboard to keep it away from any humidity which may occur in the bathroom as a result of showering. Humidity, if it gets into the tubing, can cause mold, and you don't want mold inside your tubing. Now, there's some people that enjoy using an enema tubing brush, such as Pure Life, and they like to put that in through the tubing and pull it out. It can help remove water drops or anything that may be stuck in there.